Wow, I've always wondered, how do these people get these nice songs to use on the Instagram video? Well, let me show you how you can get yours too. On Instagram, come straight to Reels, that's the button in center. Okay, the button in center. So let's look for okay, so let's use this. We're going to click on the picture down. So we're going to click on the picture down here on the right. When we click on the picture, we can save the song, which I've already done, is saved. And we can also use audio. We're going to come down to use audio. Then we're going to record our video using that background music, but we can also use different effects if we want by moving from our right to left. Just press down on the effect you're saying, that's the guy with the camera. It could be anyone on your own phone, so just move from right to left. You can change it to different ones, because I'm not waiting for them to load. So let me go back. Then you can choose this part in the music you want to use. You can choose the part of the music that you want to use. But the music is short already, so there's not much you can choose from there. By clicking on the icon on the left, that's one on top with the picture. You want to bamba? You wanna G with the big boys? Now you the wrong, kitty, you the wrong, get enough to drink with a drop cup. But most times when you want to do that, you might see a longer thread of the music, but that is short already, so there's really not much to choose from, because that's already been cut. So to record the video, just press the button in the center. You want to bamba? You wanna G with the big boys? Now you the wrong, kitty, you the wrong, get enough to drink with a drop cup. So after you're done recording, you see preview at the side. You could click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be able to see the video. Then if you look down on the right, you see next. Okay, so right now you can write a text on the video if you want. You can make some adjustment right here, but I'm just going to click next. So once you get to the next, you can now write a caption right here. So I'm just going to put keyboard stuff. So that's what I'm going to put there. Okay, so this is it. So now we can now share the reels by clicking on the share, or we can, underneath the share, we can save in draft. So let me share it. You want to bamba? You wanna G with the big boys? Now you the wrong, kitty, you the wrong. So that was the background of that music, that video was what I use, and that's it. It's loaded. Other people's background music in your videos on Instagram Reels. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye. So let's play it. Hi, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Click the red button underneath the video that says subscribe. Thanks.